In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data and data backup in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go to create a clean, downloadable copy of your accounting data, so you can archive it safely or move it where you need it. Start from the Zoho Books dashboard. This is your home base, and it ensures the left-hand menu and top controls are visible. From here, open the Sales section in the sidebar. That will expand the sales modules so you can access common transaction lists. Next, choose Quotes. We're using the Quotes module simply as a consistent route into the data tools. The interface here gives us quick access to the controls we need. Once the Quotes list loads, look for the Import Quotes option. Go ahead and open it. Even though we're heading toward backup and export, this link conveniently places us on a screen with the settings gear visible. Now, focus on the top right gear icon for settings. Click it to open your organization's settings area. A quick tip: you can use this gear icon from almost any screen in Zoho Books to reach the same settings hub, so if your layout looks slightly different, just find that gear. Inside Settings, locate Data Management. This is the dedicated space for moving information in and out of your organization. Imports, exports, and full backups live here. Open Data Management to see the available data tools. From there, select Backup Your Data. This page is the heart of today's task. A backup in Zoho Books is essentially a comprehensive export of your organization's data. When you generate a backup, Zoho prepares a downloadable zip file that typically contains CSV files for your modules and, depending on your plan and choices, may include attachments. Larger organizations may take a little time to process. That's normal. You'll usually get a notification when the backup is ready, and the download link may have an expiration window, so plan to save it promptly. A few best practices while you're here. Make backups part of a regular routine, especially before major changes like bulk imports, year-end close, or switching systems. Store the downloaded zip in a secure location with restricted access, and if you're working with sensitive financial records, consider encrypted storage. After you download, spot check a few CSV files in a spreadsheet app to confirm the data looks complete and properly formatted. Also, remember that access to data management can depend on user roles and your subscription plan. If you don't see backup your data, check with an administrator. That's the full path. Dashboard, Sales, Quotes, Import Quotes, the Settings gear, Data Management, and backup your data. Follow this route anytime you need a reliable export of your books.